In this tutorial, I have to plan to discuss how to print this pattern. In the last tutorial, I discussed with you how to print this type of symbol pattern. Today, I have discuss how to print this pattern. In this pattern, there are 5 lines, and every line consists number of stars. In first line, we have to print one pattern, 1 star, and second line we have to print 2 stars, and third line 3 stars, and fourth 4 stars, and 5 stars. So here we have to take 2 variables, one for printing the line by line, and another variable for printing the number of stars. Here when I is equal, here I take I variable for line I variable for printing the line printing the line, and the variable j for printing the number of stars. Here when I is equal to 1, the number of the variable j is equal to j also 1, because we have to print 1 star. When I is equal to 2, and the inner loop should be run 2 times because there are 2 stars in the second line. Similarly, third, fourth, and fifth line. So let's see the code. Here I have 2 for loops for printing this pattern, one for printing the line by line, and one for printing the patterns, printing the stars per line. Here I give the explanation of this code. Int I is equal to 1. Initialization value of the I is equal to 1. Then it is go to the condition part, I less than or equal to 5. Just this condition is true. Then the loop will go to the inner loop. J is equal to 1. Then the condition go to check the condition, j less than or equal to I. Why here I use j is equal to I? Because every line consists same number of stars like line. First line has first 1 star, and second line has 2 stars, and third line has 3 stars. So that's why I have the condition for inner loop like j is equal to j is less than or equal to I. Here j is equal to 1. Then come to condition part, j less than or equal to I, just condition is true. Then come to the statement, printing 1 star. Then go to the increment part, j is equal to before the increment j is equal to 1, after the increment j is equal to 2. Condition then go to the condition, j less than or equal to I, 1, 2 less than or equal to 1 is false. So condition the loop will exist. Here one statement there, print the next line. So the cursor will point to the next line. Then go to the increment part of the outer loop. Before the increment part of the outer loop, I is equal to 1. After the increment, I is equal to 2. Now check the condition. Condition will be condition true. So go to the inner loop, and again j is equal to 1. Go to the condition and check the condition. Condition true. Then print the star, and then go to the increment part of the inner loop. Now j is equal to 2. J less than or equal to I. Now I is equal to 2. So condition true. Then go to the statement, print next star. Now go to the increment part of the inner loop. J will become 3. Now go to the condition, 3 less than or equal to 2. Condition false. So inner loop will exit. Then printing the next line. this this process done again and again until I become 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After printing the 5th line, the cursor will become, after printing the 6th line, the inner loop, the inner loop condition become false, the inner loop exit, then the cursor will come into the next line. Then the increment, after the increment part of the inner outer loop, the I become 6, the condition of the condition 6 condition of the outer loop false, because 6 less than or equal to 5 is false. So outer loop exit the loop exit. So this is the code for the printing this pattern. Now I saw the full code of this. Here I saw the full code of printing any number of lines. So I have to take another variable to ask the user to ask the number of lines from the user. This is the full code of this printing the pattern. And now I run this code. Enter the number of lines. I enter the 5. Okay, here this is the output of this code. Number of lines 5 and number of stars like in the question. Okay, then I again run this code. Number of lines 10. Okay, can you see the number of pattern? Okay, thank you.